very good morning, folks, from Lahok Twahak. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, it is time. It is time finally to leave Lahok Twahak and make our way back to Kuchpie from where we started this amazing road trip on a Harley Davidson motorcycle. We're getting ready now just to leave in a few moments. Just after lunch, we'll be making our way back. Keep following to understand, to see, and to enjoy what we're bringing forth to you. We come to the final chapter, almost the end of our road trip that we began about 9 days ago. We started in Auvergne, we went into Quercy, then into Chateau Cattard, stayed there for a week, came back to Quercy, and now we are back in Courpierre in the beautiful region of Auvergne, surrounded by volcanoes. Such a wonderful time we are having. Keep following us, folks.